Okay, so let's have a look at question number 6 from the 2013 Revised Higher Physics paper. It says a cannon of mass 2 times 10 to the 3 kilograms fires a cannonball of mass 5 kilograms. The cannonball leaves the cannon with a speed of 50. What is the speed of the cannon immediately after it's fired? So this is related to the idea that the cannon will recoil as it fires the cannonball. It's a momentum explosion question. So the first thing I'm going to attempt to draw is probably a very bad drawing of a cannon, because I always find it's much more helpful if we draw a picture of what's going on. So there's our cannon, and there is the cannonball, and the cannonball is leaving the cannon in that direction, and the cannon itself will experience a force and move back in the opposite direction. So the mass of each of these things, the cannon itself is 2 times 10 to the 3 kilograms, and the cannonball is 5 kilograms. And we're trying to think of what happens whenever the cannon is launched with a speed of 50 meters per second. It is a momentum explosion, so the first thing to consider is that the momentum before the collision, so P before, is equal to 0, because everything is at rest before the explosion, I should say, not a collision. That's equal to the momentum after, which is the combination of the momentum of the cannon and the momentum of the cannonball. So the momentum of the cannon is its mass times its velocity. So it's 2 times 10 to the power of 3 times its velocity, plus the momentum of the ball, which is its mass of 5 times its velocity of 50. Okay, so we've got an equation with one unknown we need to rearrange. So we'll take this and we'll bring it over to the other side. 5 times 50, 5 times 5 is 25, so that's 250. So it's 250, but we've subtracted it from this side, so therefore it's a minus sign because we must subtract it from the 0. And that's equal to 2 times 10 to the 3 times the speed, and that's the speed of the cannon itself. So simply rearrange here, so that becomes 250 negative over 2 times 10 to the 3, and that gives us the speed of the cannon, and therefore the speed of the cannon minus 0.125 meters per second. Now the question does ask for speed, and this is actually a velocity giving us the direction, which is to the left, so we can ignore the negative sign and just think about the magnitude of the velocity, i.e. the speed, which is 0.125, and so therefore our answer is A.